Listen.
I did. Now what?
Push that pedal.
I did.
Good. You hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rev. Oh, rev it. Oh! Woo! God damn! Fuck! It's a big boy, god damn it! Woo! Nah, Manny gotta let me drive this.
You like it? You like it?
Manny gotta let me drive this. Hell yeah. No, Manny gotta let me drive that. Manny gotta let me drive this. Damn. That motherfucker is spin. Where's Manny at, bro? Where'd Manny go?
He went back over there. Let me. It's alone.
Yeah, go get Manny. Go get Manny.
He's in the office.
He's in the office?
Yeah, back over in the blog.
Can you get him real quick?
Never rode a motorcycle.
Bro, Manny gotta let me drive this, bro. I'm gonna ask him. I won't tip it. I know how to drive a motorcycle. It's just like riding a bike.
No, it's not. He's coming back over here.
Oh, he's coming back?
Rode a motorcycle. They're heavy. It's super heavy.
These are crazy.
Chat, isn't riding a motorcycle like riding a bike?
No.
It's not?
These ones, no.
There's people outside. Look.
Damn.
Yeah, look.
That's all the
All
people.
the people outside.
This is, chat, this is all the people outside right now.
Yeah. Look.
Holy shit. God damn. God damn. Huh? Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ganda.
Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Yo. Wait, hold on, wait. Y'all got the keys to this? I want to see what it look like inside. I want to see what it look like inside. Nah, bro, I look, you want a motorcycle now. That shit fire.
They're full exhaust. BMW.
That shit's beautiful.